Looks like a robot. Feels like a robot. Looks like a robot. Hi there, this is Jezza from Home Based Chronicles. If we are meeting for the first time, welcome to my channel. It's nice to meet you. So a couple of days ago, I posted that I'm going to unbox the DJI OSMO Mobile 3 combo, and I haven't really done it yet when I said that I'm gonna do it later because I had to do a lot of errands these past few days, so I'm very sorry if I'm late. Anyway, I'm here, we're here, and I'm going to do the unboxing and the product review of the DJI OSMO Mobile 3 combo. It's more on getting to know the product, how it works, and what it's going to do for me. Before we get started, I'd like to shout out to my pamangkin Solen, Lance, and baby Zia. I love you guys. Mga solid fans ko talaga kayo. So going back, I bought the DJI OSMO Mobile 3 like a month ago, but I did not really use it because I was lazy. No, I was like, well, I had errands to run, and then I was waiting for myself to create a better content about it. Well, I think this is a much better one than having to not create one at all. So I thought of getting myself one because I'm leaning towards content creation and documenting most of the travels that we do. And by the way, if you don't know what a gimbal is, which I doubt because a lot of people really know what it is, but anyway, a gimbal is a phone stabilizer. So you see this one right here, so it holds the phone for you and then you hold it. Well, anyway, so when you take pictures and videos, you won't get that crazy shake that you do. So it really helps a lot in getting a stable and smooth video. Well, I hope I give justice to that. Anyway, let's watch me unboxing the DJI OSMO Mobile 3. All right, moment of truth. Alright, there we go. So we have successfully unboxed the DJI OSMO Mobile 3 combo. So let me just show you quick what I have. So again, we have the cable wire. So that's one. The box, the free box that comes along with it. So let's just do a quick check on what's inside. So these right here, by the way, if your phone's really small and you need something to make it fit, you can use these anti-slip pads. And then the tripod that comes along with it, I've shown that on the unboxing. So it looks like. And of course, oh well, the bag, you saw that. And then the DJI OSMO Mobile 3. It's not that big. This one is not detachable, so everything's attached. Okay, and by the way, I'd like to add this one. If you'd like to get a warranty, you definitely can, but you need to make sure to get it 1 month after you purchase the product. So let's check the full look of the DJI OSMO Mobile 3. So right out the box, this is how it looks. Okay, so take a good look. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to pull it up. Now let's check the buttons first. So right here, the biggest one is you can use this to pan and tilt or roll. Okay, that's the biggest button. The one with the M on it, that's the on and off, or the power button. And the one with the red dot, you use it to, well, capture images and record videos. And on this side right here, you're gonna see the T and the W. When you move it up to the T, it's going to enlarge your subject or zoom in on the subject, and on the W, it's gonna zoom out or shrink the subject. Right. Now at the back, this is what we call, or this is how they call it, the trigger button. There. And on this side right here is the charging port, and then the USB port. Let me open this. Okay, it's really easy to open. There. So right after you open this, you need to download the DJI Nemo app, which you can just scan on your phone. And there's a few instructions on it as well. Okay. So let's check it out now. My phone's low battery, but let's just go ahead and check it. It's a little jiggly because it's not switched on. Oh. Let's do that again. So let's switch it off. Wow. Looks like a robot. Feels like a robot. Looks like a robot. If you want your phone to be on portrait mode, just press the M twice. Yeah. Isn't that nice? I love it. So I will now show you the videos that I took using this DJI OSMO Mobile 3. I used the slow-mo, the Dyna Zoom, and as well as the active track. So I am not the best gimbal user out there, I know that for sure, and I can say that, but I really love the product because it's not hard to use. Well, it's basically user-friendly. Style is ergonomic, I love it. Lightweight, and I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna be a very good best friend to me. Aww. Well, I think I'm gonna destroy it. So if you have learned something from this video, comment down below if you have any questions about the device. I would really love to get back to you. And if you are already a pro of these devices, gimbals, DJI OSMO Mobile 3, and if you'd like to share tips and tricks about it, I would love to hear from you. That's it for today. Let me know what your thoughts are, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell.